Here we have the JCB 54170 Xtra telehandler, a truly designed agricultural telehandler for all types of application. JCB has over 30% world market share in telehandlers, and they've been building them since the 1970s. Giving the operator better visibility, better productivity, comfort, safety. We'll discuss that here in just a little bit. This being a heavy boom, single chassis, no cast counterweight, this machine is truly designed as a loader first and forklift second. Let's take a look at the front of the machine. Here you'll notice at the front of the machine, JCB has a Q-fit. It acts as a heavy-duty backing plate for loading applications. Integral fork frame, hydraulics, also a hydraulic pin locking mechanism. Easy for the operator to switch attachments in and out day to day without having to hop in and out of the cab. Better versatility and productivity for the operator. You also notice this is a one-piece boom nose. JCB does on all telehandlers. Other competitions have a welded boom nose. The way I like to think of it as an arm, a strong arm. If you were to break that arm into two places, once it reheals, that arm's never going to be sturdy as it was before. It's the same concept with JCB in the boom nose. It's a one piece of steel, similar to the chassis, giving that robust feeling for loading applications, especially in an agricultural application. You'll also notice JCB uses a wax oil on their boom, not grease. Most of the competition does grease. But what the wax oil does, gives it a longer maintenance life, up to a 500-hour interval. Also, debris, junk doesn't get stuck in here and get shoved down in the boom, causing later damage to the machine internally, which can get real expensive. Notice also the U-shaped pressing JCB does. It's an attention to detail in the welding process, where they extend the welding so the stress isn't designed and put right up here on the bearings. Longer lasting, less maintenance. JCB is a manufacturer that produces their own engines, transmissions, and axles. Notice the large JCB axles here on our telehandlers, providing you the durability needed for better ground engaging applications. Serviceability is another feature JCB definitely prides on for you. Having everything at ground level definitely helps, reduces downtime, and keeps the machine up longer for better productivity. You'll notice everything here, filters, hoses, oil checks, radiator, everything here, ground level, easy serviceability. Fanning radiator for easy cleaning right here with just the simple click of this clip. Also inside the chassis is an integral hydraulic oil tank, providing extra cooling and stability for the machine. On our agricultural telehandlers, you'll notice we have a reversible fan, airflow coming from up top down to bottom, when reversed from bottom up top. When you're in those silage bunks or those grimy, nasty agriculture applications, cleaning off this graded area to keep that airflow constant and keep your machine up and running. So how much material can you move in a day? Remember, this is a material handling designed telehandler, not necessarily a lift in place telehandler. However, this does do that very well. JCB builds their own axles, own transmissions, and their own engines. The JCB Dieselmax engine is placed in these telehandlers. There's also a variable displacement piston pump. Hydraulic oil is supplied on demand, providing better productivity for your operator on a day-to-day working basis and giving you faster cycle times. This specific model, 37 gallons per minute. Here we are, the rear of the machine. Again, let me point out the low profile boom JCB has, giving better visibility, which we'll see just here in a minute when we step into the cab. Also notice, there's no casting counterweights that's been applied to the chassis already. Like I said, this is a single piece of chassis, very robust machine, designed for the agricultural industry to be put into some hard, robust applications. This is the machine for you. Hose protecting, we place our hoses in a very protective area where things aren't going to get ripped out. We have hose covers on them. Everything thinking about you. How can we help you more productive in a day-to-day operation? Also, for transport speed, notice we have flip-out road lights. These machines will do 25 miles per hour on our 6-speed transmission, We also have a 4-speed transmission doing 20 miles an hour ground speed. The JCB cab. Notice the ease of operation and the multifunctions you can do while operating. Air suspension seat, very spacious cab, great visibility, that low profile boom as I stated before. Comes in a 4-speed or 6-speed transmission. Servo joystick, cab mounted on our Plus machine, seat mounted on our Xtra machine. Suspends up and down with the operator. We have 2- and 4-wheel drive, giving you less tire wear and less wear on the transmissions, making the operator obviously more efficient and obviously more productive. All the buttons, features, everything right here at the operator's fingertips. Climate control, everything right here. Sky visibility. What more could you need in a cab to be an efficient operator? So there you have it, folks, the JCB 54170 Xtra. Agricultural design telehandler, giving you better visibility, safety, comfort, and productivity. And that's basically what it boils down to in today's economy. More productivity for your investment, return on investment. JCB's taking those little attention to details, providing you a better equipped machine to last through those hard applications that we know y'all put these machines through. And we've come up with a really good product that will adhere to whatever application you want to put it through. 541 Xtra, 541 Plus, we have a wide variety of range models here. Contact your local JCB dealer, get some literature, get a demo, test these machines out, you'll be glad you did, and so will your business.